Hello guys. So I will presentation about my project in algorithmics about escape from bad school. So this is my school that I was designed it with my hand. And first I will talking with that noob for know what the stage, what the next stage. Hello. Okay, I will operate it. You have to finish the stage in this game. Okay, so we are we have to finishing the stage in this game. So we have the coin from the now, this is math class. Oh my god, I was so fake math class. Okay, hello. Is there anybody? So this school was. So I have one coin, and when I was making well, job, I have one coin. So we have talking with this teacher. Congratulations to you. Okay, everyone. Okay, mister. Hey, you, come here. Okay, we have teleport in another place. So this is another place. Oh my god, I'm go back to this school. Okay, so this is checkpoint. I have to finishing the tower. This is so important. Like what? Yes, this is one. This is I have two coins now. So this is I'm teleport to another place. This is a bulb, big guy. You little girl boy, help me. So I don't know what I'm doing in here. So let's go teleport. Okay, I have three coins. This is the the bus. Congratulations to you, little girl or boy. So thank you for my experience game in this algorithmic Algonova. I hope I can be the best programmer in this Algonova. And thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for supporting me, and I hope you guys can enjoy my games. And so I have many experienced programmer anything, so I will can update more videos to this Algonova. So bye.